What's the meaning of cooperation? Cooperation. Cooperation.
Cooperation. Cooperation. Cooperation refers to the act of individuals or groups working together towards a common goal in a harmonious and coordinated manner, leveraging their complementary skills and resources to achieve a shared objective. The result of cooperation is often the accomplishment of tasks that might be difficult or impossible to achieve without the joint effort of multiple parties. Cooperation fosters mutual respect, trust, and empathy, leading to better relationships and more effective collaborations. It is essential in various social, economic, and political contexts, from interpersonal relationships to global partnerships, to achieve progress and sustainable development.